I'm Braden Thornton, and this is Weather HQ.
Have you ever noticed that when an intense heat wave hits, it hardly ever rains? Or when extreme cold hits, snow rarely ever falls? Well, there is a very good explanation for that. In this video, we will break down the few main factors that cause precipitation to go practically missing during both temperature extremes. Let's not waste any more time, and let's get started. To better understand, let's begin with what causes heat waves and cold waves in the first place. Extreme temperature events, as we will call them in this video, are caused by strong high-pressure systems. High pressure is also called an anticyclone because of its exact oppositeness of a low pressure. High-pressure systems are when column of air sinks instead of rises like a low pressure would. This causes little or no cloud development and therefore little or no precipitation. This is why, depending on the geographical origin of the high pressure, we see such intense heat waves and extreme cold blasts. There is no balancing act with different air masses, so naturally it will be sunny and the air will be insanely dry as well as very uncomfortable temperatures. The stronger the high pressure, the more intense the extreme temperature event. 1013 millibars or higher is considered high pressure. I say around 1030 or higher is usually considered very strong high pressure. That just means more sinking air instead of rising air. So once again, little or no cloud development and therefore no precipitation and therefore abundant sunshine. Now for this next part, I do want to note that this is purely based on my observations due to there being little or no credible research or sources for this topic. Roughly between 25 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit is where we tend to see the most precipitation and also the range where most places' average temperatures are throughout the year. Organized precipitation shields or steady rain areas of rain or snow or ice tend to be within 30 to 70 degrees. This is because cloud development is ideal between these temperatures and also the common range for many frontal cyclones that are most common during the colder months of the year. They are the most common during the colder months because there is more contrast in the air masses and temperatures, therefore forming stronger low pressures, fronts, and storm systems. Basically, precipitation is caused by instability between air masses. When you have temperatures in the hundreds or below zero, you have fairly consistent and stable air mass. Think of it like people's emotions. When there are differences between people, that can cause conflict and it may even get violent, much like any severe storm. But when there are no differences around to cause conflict, everyone is calm and stable, much like the atmosphere on a sunny day. So just think of these extreme temperature events as the atmosphere at its calmest and happiest. You yourself may not like the oppressive heat or bitter cold that comes with it, but the atmosphere sure does. Overall, weather is basically a balancing act between hot and cold. The hotter or colder it is, the more balanced our atmosphere is. But it's those mid-range temperatures that like to unbalance our atmosphere and create some form of precipitation or unsettlement in the weather. But this unsettlement benefits life on Earth as it distributes water via the water cycle. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also leave feedback as it really helps out the channel. This has been Weather HQ, signing off.